it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am going to be going through all the kits in my March lineup for my memory planner, and stay tuned at the end because as usual I will be doing a destash giveaway of all of my kit leftovers from like the past couple of months and some older stuff that I have, so you can enter for that in the comments down below, but stay tuned to the end of the video for the details on that giveaway. So first up, for the first week in March, we are in the midst of birthday season in my household, and it is my big kid, my oldest daughter, who is turning 6. It is her birthday is the first week in March, and I will be using this kit from Scribble Prints called Sprinkles. This is so cute. I absolutely love this. This is a kit reformat from a kit that released last year, but Andrea totally redid the full boxes, and I do believe that this was custom art. So I have the ultimate kit of this one because I liked the extra full boxes, but here are the full boxes on the main page, and these are the 2 extra full boxes. I particularly thought that one, which says Donut Grow Up, was so adorable, so I had to pick this up. It is an ultimate kit, so you get tons and tons of stuff. The deco on this is quite a bit larger for the most part, so hopefully I can bring some of that in, but I don't know about doing it on like the top. I might run washi on the top of this when I do this spread, just because of how large the deco is. And then we have the glitter header page, the rounded page, which I love the rounded stuff, the plain functional page, and then the pattern functional page. This is, like I said, an ultimate kit, so you just get so many stickers, and yeah, I'm really excited to use this. You get this extra full box as well, which I'm gonna look in my collection. I think I have some stickers that have like numbers on them, so I could put a 6 there and turn that into like a little birthday box. Super cute. And that is the kit that I have for my oldest 6th birthday, which is the first week of March. So then the next week after that, I reached back into my stash of like kits in my anytime stash, and particularly my like homebody kits, I like to think of them. And I have this older kit from Planning World that I'm planning to use for the week of March 7th. So for me, March 7th just feels a little bit early in the year to be using a spring kit. I'm sure it's still gonna be freezing cold here, so I didn't want to go like a full-on spring kit, but I wanted something that was like a little bit spring transition, if you will, and just like had some like cozy at home vibes. So I thought that this would be really perfect. I absolutely love this art. I actually have 2 kits in this art, but I just decided to go with this one, and I actually still have the other one as well. So this is kit number B194. Her kits have numbers, not names, and it is foiled in gold foil. So this is an older kit from Planning World, and it is a full kit. So you have all of these boxes that are like in lieu of the ombre heart checklists, the headers and labels, this page which has your sidebar stuff and some more functional items, bottom washi which is split, and date covers, and then this other page which has like flags and icons, deco, layering items, and then that is the kit. So I think that this will be really fun to plan with. I'm glad that I'm gonna finally get to use this, and I just like really love the slippers with the sweatpants and just like the delicate nature of the kit. Actually, a lot of the non-kid kits I'm using this month have this kind of like color palette, and to me that's just like very March, so I am happy to be using that. That will be the week of March 7th. So then the week after that, again just like transitioning into early spring here, this is going to be for the week of March 14th, and this kit is called Amelia. It is from CD Stickers, and I do think it has like a very similar color palette, but it's like a totally different vibe. So we've got like a little bit more florals and spring stuff, but it's just also got like the blanket. You can see that the girl in the box is still wearing like a sweater, some coffee, and it says let your light shine, and I just thought this was so pretty. So this one has rose gold foil and just like this pretty watercolor pattern in the back, like a very muted color palette. This is a new kit, like from recently, not like from like a month ago or so, something like that. That's from this year. Anyway, you have this functional page. It's a 4-page mini kit, and all 4 pages are foiled. You have, this is your sidebar stuff, some layering pieces, and your headers, and then your split bottom washi, which has, the washis are 2 different widths, which I really love, date covers, and some more functional stuff squeezed in. And then I do also have the floral deco add-on for this kit. So pretty, and I cannot wait to use this. So then the week after that, we are in another birthday. So this will be for the week of March 21st, and this is my son's birthday. If you don't know, actually, all of my kids' birthdays run from like the very end of February to the end of March, and then my birthday is the first week in April. So we got a lot of birthday kits coming up, and 2 specifically in March, and then 1 also the week before that Scribble Prints Co. one. Anyway, this kit is called Dino Party, and again, this is from Scribble Prints Co., and this is also custom art that she had done for one of her son's birthdays. So I bought this earlier this year. I think this is so, so cute. It's very like Jurassic Park themed, but my son is like totally obsessed with dinosaurs and never really gets over that. I actually think we have balloons that look like this that we got from like an Amazon pack last year, but we're gonna use it again this year for his birthday party. So I just thought this was so perfect when I saw it, and I absolutely had to get it. So these are the full boxes. I have an ultimate kit for this one as well, because I loved this tall box on the sidebar with like the balloon arch. I just thought that was so, so cute. So I had to pick this up in the ultimate kit so that I could get that. Again, this is like, I mean, I feel like this birthday kit with like the color palette, even though it's like more scene style, and this still feels like very much my aesthetic, if that makes sense, even though it's like a scene style kit versus a floral kit. Like when I go for a scene style kit, this is kind of like the color palette I typically gravitate towards. This is definitely a little bit more outside my comfort zone with like all the greens and the browns, but I just thought it was too perfect to use for my son's birthday. So you do get, you know, it's the same format as the other SPC kits since they're both ultimate kits, and I just thought this was so, so like just too perfect for his personality. So then the extra full box on here was this like little t-shirt little boy, and then the freebie was actually just some alternate skin tones on that one as well. So super, super cute. I love like all the extra full boxes that this comes with, and I'm gonna use like a bunch of them. And that is the kit that I'm gonna be using for the week of March 21st, which is the week of my son's birthday. So then finally for the last week in March, which extends into April, so March 28th, I have this kit from Miss Meow, which is called Grace. I just thought this was so pretty, and it's like very much cozy vibes. Actually, I think this has like the same sweater person as, oh, I just noticed that has the same sweater, like that full box is very similar, but the florals that are with it are not the same. So it has like a completely different look, but it does have like a very similar one full box, but that's okay. I really love that, and it's very much how I live my life, you know, wearing a giant oversized cozy sweater and writing in a notebook. There's like probably no full box that better defines my life. Anyway, I thought this was perfect for April and like early spring with like all the rainy day vibes, so I decided to use this the sort of last week of March into the first week of April, and I just think this is so, so gorgeous. You know I love Miss Meow just like so, so much. So you get, this is the reformat, so you get all of these amazing icons, and I absolutely love them. I think they're so beautiful, and I cannot wait to use them with the spread. I just think it's just so nice, and they're colored in the colorway of the kit, and I've heard that she's gonna bring these to the shop like in neutral colorways or in multiple colorways. I don't really know, but I'm very excited for that as well. I do think they're really, really gorgeous. So then you have this whole functional page, which is foiled. This kit has silver foil. I don't think I mentioned that yet. Split bottom washi, again, 2 different sizes on the washi, and I love how delicate her like journaling box and her Monday through Sunday box are, and then as well I do have the floral deco add-on for this kit. So that is my March lineup of kits. Okay, so now for the details on the giveaway. You can check the description below for the full details on how to enter and everything. But first, if you don't know what kit leftovers are, it's basically any time that I use stickers in my planner, I save all of the extra sheets, except for like very occasionally if I'm going, you know, if I have other plans for it, but I just save all the other sheets and put them in a giveaway pile. If you get 1 page from a kit, you will get all of the pages from that kit so that you can hopefully make a full spread from it. Some of the pages, like from a Scribble Prints Co. kit, are gonna have tons of leftover stickers on them, whereas some may only have 1 or 2 stickers left on them. But that is basically what a kit leftover is. I also have in that pile random like shop samplers or foil items that I've gotten in grab bags, things that I don't think I'm gonna use myself. So there are some full pages of stickers that will come in the leftovers bundle. I'm gonna be giving away 1 package of leftovers this time. I will stuff this mailer, which is just like a little bit larger height-wise and a little bit skinnier than a planner page, which is 7x9. I will just stuff this completely full of kit leftovers and mail this out to one of you. So to enter, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave a comment in the comments letting me know that you want to enter, and also follow me on Instagram. The giveaway will be open for 1 week and is open to US residents. You can check out the details of this video if you need more information, but good luck. So that is it for the giveaway details and also for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my March kit lineup. I'm very excited for all of the birthday spreads coming. So anyway, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, enter the giveaway if you want to enter, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!